So in this video, I'm going to explain to you why it is such a brilliant idea to start a YouTube channel and why it's not too late, even if you're above 30 years old like me. So you might have been thinking about starting a channel, but you have so many doubts, like, is it really worth it? Well, I'm here to tell you why I think you should absolutely go for it. So you might have noticed I don't have that many subscribers yet, but it is still worth it. And let me tell you why. So first of all, you'll be able to document your journey, share your story, being vulnerable, putting yourself out there, sharing what you know to the world and not caring what other people think. That itself is so empowering. And don't feel discouraged when you see younger people, they're all trendy, they're all cool, and they have all these amazing effects and they're so good with technology. I used to feel discouraged before. I was like, wow, I could never create a thumbnail like that. I could never create such an amazing backdrop. I can't do all that. Why am I even trying? I'm not going to be able to compete. You don't need to worry about all that. You don't need to have the perfect, frame. See, I'm just sitting here in my room with a bookshelf that I got on Amazon with my books on it and a light that I got on Amazon as well. That's it. Your first videos are probably gonna suck. That's okay. Mine sucked too. Now when I look at my previous videos, I'm like, the lighting really sucked. When you have your own channel, you get to express yourself in the exact way that you want to. You get to be your genuine, authentic self. I think that's one of the most amazing things about YouTube. Like, you have your own channel, you get to be yourself, and other people find you and relate to you and connect with you because of who you are, and they may be anywhere in the world. And people can learn from you. You inspire other people. I've been impacted in so many ways by YouTubers who have just decided one day that they're gonna make a channel and they don't care about what other people think. And it's not about how big of a following we have. And it can be the smallest piece of information that has the biggest impact on our lives. Something that someone just says that for them is completely normal and everyday, not a big deal, common sense, whatever. And to you, it's like, wow, that made me realize something. That made me reflect. That made me see things from another point of view. That made me start a new habit that got me to where I am today. It's chain reaction. Never underestimate what you have to say to the world, how much it can have an impact on others. And I was a person who used to think that I have nothing to give to the world. I have nothing to share. I have no skills. I have no knowledge. I have nothing. And it was just because I was thinking of things in the terms of, I've not studied enough to be an expert in this. I don't know everything about this particular thing. You don't need to know everything. Like I said, you just need to know something more than someone else or offer a different perspective. And if you have a business, for example, and you're using YouTube to grow your business, you don't need to have millions of followers. I think there's a big misconception there. You can grow your business from just having a few thousands of followers, the right people that find you. But here on YouTube, like a video that you made 5 years ago can change someone's life today. Isn't that just mind-blowing? And personally, having a YouTube channel has changed so many things for me. To summarize, YouTube is so amazing because you get to grow, you get to connect, you get to learn, you get to teach, you get to inspire. Don't ever think that you don't have anything to share with the world. You have a gift, you have so much talent, you have so much inside of you that's just waiting to get out there to change other people's lives. So don't waste any time and think that, oh, I'm not good enough, oh, I'm too old, it's too late, I should have done it 10 years ago, then I would be popping right now. No, today is the day. Go for it. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what kind of a channel you're planning on having. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And if you found any type of value, consider subscribing. It is so much appreciated.